How to download Call of Duty Warzone on PS4. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download Call of Duty Warzone on your PS4 quickly and easily. Step 1. Turn on your PS4 and sign in. Power on your PS4 and log into your PlayStation Network (PSN) account. Step 2. Open the PlayStation Store. From the main menu, navigate to the PlayStation Store icon and open it. Step 3. Search for Call of Duty Warzone. Use the search bar at the top of the store. Type Call of Duty Warzone and select it from the results. Step 4. Download the game. On the Warzone page, select Download or Add to Library if it's free. The download will start immediately. Step 5. Check your download progress. Go back to the home screen and open the Notifications menu. Select Downloads to see the progress. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Step 6. Launch the game. Once installed, you'll see the Warzone icon on your home screen. Select it to launch and start playing. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials.